Friday, my friends. I'm here with Drew in his Ram and camper van.
Yep.
And we're doing a little trip. We're heading up the Sea to Sky highway, and we're going to go camping and do a bit of hiking. So keep you updated.
It's Ben's first time going to Whistler.
First time
hang out with all
camping
his
too.
Aussie mates.
Yep.
Yeah. He misses them very much, but he's having a good time out here. So
that's it. All right. Well, stay tuned. The magical view to Whistler.
in the summertime, this whole road is being packed. And luckily, it's pretty clear and nice.
Insane. Just outside Stawamus, see the rainbow. We're gonna go and hike that thing there.
Going to the Cheak. Last minute hike.
Yeah, last minute change of plans. Yeah. Alright, so a little pit stop. Look at the gorgeous. We were gonna go to the campsite, but we wanted to do Stawamus Chief, and there it is. So maybe we'll catch a sunset from there. And there's Drew in his van. Well, you could. Oh yeah, wow. Well, we might end up here. Oh, Drew's really feeling it today. All the SRC runs. Okay. I'm not sure how far we're up, but Drew's powering through. And so, as you can see, in our natural habitat. Look at this big boulder. Wow, how'd that get there? Okay, my friends, 40 minutes, 1.72 Ks. It's 8 PM. Also, we did 533 meters of cane. But look at this. Wow, there's Drew. Oh my God, that's incredible. Oh, I can barely walk. Wow. That's where we came from. The trusty alkaline water to get us through. Really tastes that acidity. Drew, give us a tour. Where's Whistler?
Whistler is behind you, up the road.
Where's Stawamus?
Stawamus is right over there on the right side.
Amazing.
Yeah.
What mountains are we looking at?
We're looking at Mountain 1, Mountain 2, Mountain A and B.
And where's Vancouver?
On the other side of Mountain C over there.
Ah, amazing. And where are we?
We're on the top of the Chief. No, we're not. We're actually at the first one.
The
first.
The first.
Yeah.
600 meters above sea level. Yeah. Stawamus Chief 1, but we're done.
We gotta go down, bro. Done.
Yeah, no, we're camping up here. This hike situation at the moment. Nearly there. Alright, we made it down. 9 PM now, so we'll head to the campsite. But yeah, there's just this like darkness, just gloominess that just feels so surreal right now. It might be just a bit like being a bit tired too. My knees are trembling. But yeah. Sunny Chiba at Stawamus. Drew.
Yep.
We got the chili sauce, ketchup, fish burrito, birria beef, and some fried chicken. Delicious. Also, my friend.
Not bad.
All right. So the situation is we're pulled up into some random campsite.
Such a funny position I was in. Look at this.
It's raining outside and it's a bit dark, so I'm a bit scared to sleep outside. So I'm sleeping in the van on the ground because the bed's a bit tight.
Yeah. Get off my bed.
So yeah, let's set up, and it's 11 PM at Cheak campgrounds, and yeah, I think we're just ready for bed.
Hey, night.
Night. Alright, some backpack, sleeping bag, mat. That's where I'm sleeping.
Oh, long john still, bro.
There's Drew. Oh, look at that. Amazing. Alright, good night, guys. See you tomorrow.
Good night.
I've had a lot of questions on what's in my pack. So I've got my sleeping bag, my tent, Got 5 liters of water in 1 liter bottles. Where is it? These bottles. And I've got 350 mils of whiskey. And then my jet boil. And then a long piece of bread. But yeah, that's my 50 liter pack. Oh, what's that, Drew?
We parked in that dingy trailer lot. But look over here. We actually have the real campsite that we just missed last time.
Oh no, drive in.
Look at it. That's nice. Could have slept in your cozy tent.
Yeah, this is more magical. That's okay. It was an amazing experience nonetheless.
Yeah.
But wow, this is gorgeous. But to be honest, Drew, I was pretty scared. I don't think I would have slept outside.
You were freaking out, bro.
Yeah, like bears and dingoes and
Crackheads.
yeah, who knows what could have been. It's time in Whistler, famous Black Cove. Paid parking in Whistler Village and squished bananas for breakfast. But gorgeous nonetheless. Whistler Village. Wow.
Welcome, mate.
My first Australian I've met in Whistler.
Yeah, I'm Ben. Welcome to Whistler Village.
Wow. Look at that pow.
That's my global woman, mate.
Oh, look at this Canadian hand dryer. Wow. Whoa. So it's a bit wet in Whistler, but I still see people going up to the snowfield. So I don't know how much snow there is, but it'd be pretty mushy. But yeah, Whistler Village. We're gonna go get some groceries, and then find somewhere and have some breakfast, and then we'll go find a hike. Authentic van life experience. Here you go. Cheers. First time eating summer sausage.
Cheers.
Very good.
It's like preserved meat. We should like fry it up on the pan. If we fried it up, it'd be nice.
Yep. This gourmet shin ramen with Drew. Special recipe. Oh!
What?
What a mess.
Oh, did it crack over that?
Yeah, it did. Well, how many eggs do you do?
We do 2 each and 4.
Nice. Drew, can you run through what we have for breakfast?
Yep.
First
Our
up,
gourmet breakfast, we've got shin ramen with spinach and 4 eggs, 2 packets.
yep,
Then we got leftover fried chicken with spare french fries.
yeah, amazing,
From Sonny Chiva's Mexican Cantina.
amazing.
Sasquatch. Not Sasquatch, Squamish.
Squamish,
And then we got our noodles and a side of carrots with summer sausage and roll.
amazing, and
Yeah.
mandarin.
Enjoy.
Enjoy bone apple tea.
Wouldn't put that chill.
Drew, what we're doing here?
Yeah, this is part of our set menu. This is a very curated gastronomy. Yeah, gastro meal.
Gastro.
We got our leftover premium fried chicken
Yum.
from Sonny Chiva's, as I mentioned.
Yeah.
And we're elevating the summer sausage with heat, which is crucial for the texture. So if we can get that like crusty kind of ring on it, that'll be masterful.
Amazing.
And then we have our premium potatoes,
Twice cooked.
twice cooked,
Wow.
twice fried, twice cooked.
Amazing.
Extra love given within the parameters of the shin ramen pot. So then it adds that Korean hint of flavor that you won't be able to recognize on the first bite, but you know, will be there lingering. And everyone likes shin ramen, right?
100%.
Yeah, it's pretty gourmet.
We'll see the end result real shortly.
Yeah.
Just finished lunch. Lake. Van. Drove off with that securing his bottle and the floor got wet. So he's like doing some spring cleaning on the side of the road now.
It's not easy.
Van life. And then like the eggs were even out. I'm so lucky they didn't drop. Road to our trail, a bit late, but went to Independent Grocer and got some
now,
smoked garlic. Oh yeah, we're actually going to Goodwill. Thrift shopping. Garlic, smoked garlic salmon. Bone apple tea. Alright, the next stop is the Goodwill with some delicious strawberries. What did you get at the Goodwill?
Grade A score. Got this vintage Wilson tennis bag.
Oh man.
I haven't had a bag, I
Sick.
just carry my sticks around and look at that thing, $10.
Oh,
Vintage,
amazing.
right?
That looks so cool. You actually play
Sport.
tennis now.
Yeah, bro.
And they just sent me a hat, so
Good day.
true American. Alright, it is 3 p.m. at the Whistler Interactive Forest. We just had a little nap because we were pretty tired, but now we're going to go for my first trail run. I've got the Danners combat boots on, the King G shorts, and the Tajay shirt. Stream behind us, so yeah, I think it's going to be a 5k loop, so we'll see how we go. But yeah. Wait. Go through your fit. What do you have? Starting from the bottom.
I got some trail running shoes from back in the day.
Nice.
Some woolies
Yep.
and long johns
Yep.
with your basic Lululemon shorts
Oh,
and your LL Bean top.
amazing. And that's a trail up there. Let's go. First trail run. Wow, river flowing up and down, dense forests. So gorgeous. And quaint and quiet. Oh, here we go a bit quicker because I'm freezing. Yeah. Okay guys, on the second episode of Life in Vancouver, a road runner gets humbled by trail running. It's like 1 kilometer in, I'm dead. But it's so gorgeous though. The air's so crisp, and there's so much more to see. But it's so hard. I can barely keep up. We're like walking most of the way. Oh, let's keep going. Halfway. Snow. Flowing bridge. Wow. Wow. Amazing. Look at this. It just looks like cos lettuce. Almost like you just eat it. Wow, it's everywhere. Should we try? Nah, not today. Alright, Drew. Our first trail run. How was it?
Good. Yours?
Come closer. Yeah. How was it?
2 thumbs up.
Never again. But I got this convenient little shirt holder. How cool is that? But yeah, that was tough. It was so scenic though. Alright, he's off. Whoosh. And my first shower in 2 days. I'm so excited. Look how pristine this water looks. We're at the quaint trailhead, and we've got Drew cooking up our second meal. What do you have here?
Yeah, for the Aussie over here, we're putting some wieners on the barbie. Some summer sausage,
Oh,
as they say.
delicioso.
Some
And what we're eating it
sausage
with?
on the barbie. And we're gonna put it on this cheap ass white bread that been brought. But it's gonna do the job.
Yep.
With some, of course, we gotta keep it healthy. Some high quality, fresh express spinach.
amazing. And some salmon I can see also.
Yeah, some candied salmon for desserts.
And some carrots too, so I'll keep you updated. So, like
Spinach.
being said,
That's a lot.
we got grilled summer sausage, grilled bread, spinach, and tomato sauce. And it is so delicious.
It's good.
And
Gotta keep it healthy.
Baby carrots. Where else would you rather be? So we're back in Vancouver, and Drew wants to go to the second thrift store.
I'm in a thrifting mood.
So, yeah.
Camping to shopping.
Yay!